Hi everyone, I am Pavit and I am going to share you with today that how we can do the bulk database operation in Salesforce. So Salesforce have out of the box feature also that is called import wizard. Import wizard we can use to insert, update this type of database operation. However, import wizard have some limitations also. So if you like to see import wizard in Salesforce, that here you can see in on the screen that how we can use Salesforce import wizard have a standard and custom object to use, and we can use CSV to import or update the data. We just need to drag the CSV in Salesforce here and we can map the field and just click on next and import the file. However, import wizard have some limitations, like some objects are not available in the import wizard, and some record limitation also, like we can import up to 50k records by using import wizard. So to overcome this limitation, Salesforce have a client application that is data loader that we can use to do the bulk database operations. And Salesforce have two different ways to use the data loader. One is user interface. So this is the Salesforce data loader interface that have two type of authentication. One is auth and one is password authentication. So to use that tool we need to authenticate first with the user. So if we authenticate, then we can do these operations by using data loader. So one is auth just redirect to a screen and you can add your username and password and you will be in to use data loader. So other is password authentication, that is also uh, we can use username and password and you can authenticate by using that method also. And after the authentication we can do all the database operation by using data loader. Another way of using data loader is command line interface. Command line interface is not a tool like we can use using command line of Windows, that is available only for Windows. And to use command line interface, Salesforce have provided some steps or guidelines how we can use that. So if you like, I will explain these steps to you in detail. Please comment in the comment section if you like to see these steps in detail. So these are the steps are, as you can see on the screen, need to follow to use command line interface. We have data loader and import wizard both to use bulk upload data. So the question is where we can use the data loader and where we need to use import wizard. So basically to use the data loader like import wizard have some limitation, like if more than 50k records then we can use data loader. Even data loader also have limitation, that is 5 million records we can only upload up to 5 million record. So to overcome that limitation, we have app exchange and app exchange tools to use if we like to do more than 5 million records. So these tools can do such type of operations like on greater than 5 million records also. Even import wizard have some object limitations also. So to overcome that limitation we can use data loader, or we need to use data loader to overcome that. And like if we need to schedule some data import, then we need to use data loader. Data loader have capability to schedule the data load. And if we want to take a backup of in bulk for any object or records, we just need to write SQL and we can take backup from data loader. These are the points those you can use as a checkpoints to when to use data loader. And as you can see on the screen, some data loader key features are also there, like easy to use interface. As you earlier see, there are we can see on data loader the operation, which operation we need to do. All button are available, easily available. And we just, if we want to authenticate through that tool, we just need to put the username and password, so it's easy to use. And support large files also, like more, if we um, want to use up to 5 million records, then this tool supports that big data. And we can map, drag and drop fields to map the fields. Even if we want to use that mapping in future, we can save that mapping as .sdl file and we can use that. Let me show you. So like if I want to import some account, I already have a file, so selected the account and the file. So file, data loader is loading that file. Let's say only one record. If I like to map, so I just need to drag some field in the below section, and that field will be mapped with that spreadsheet column or csv column. And after that, dragging those fields, we can save that mapping for future use, or if we have other files also to import, so like save that file with .sdl. And if you already have, like I already have saved that file, so if you like to reuse, let me show you how you can reuse. Just select that file, choose a existing map and select and next, and you will get all the mapping um, present automatically there. You can even decide where your success and error file will be stored, and you can check your success and error file on that directory. One important aspect of data loader is data loader setting, and to configure these data loader setting, that is very important, that we must need to see before data import or review these settings before data load. If settings are not correct, then maybe impact your data also. I am going to explain these settings in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe.